Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a VPN for Facebook Messenger on your laptop or PC. Let's get started. Using a VPN, or Virtual Private Network, with Facebook Messenger serves a couple of important purposes. First, if you're traveling or live in a region where Messenger is restricted, a VPN can help you regain access by masking your real location. Second, and more importantly, it adds a crucial layer of security and privacy to your calls and messages, especially when you're connected to public Wi-Fi at cafes, airports, or hotels. I'll walk you through the simple process of setting this up using NordVPN, one of the most reliable services available. The first step is to get NordVPN installed on your laptop. Head over to the NordVPN website using the link in the description below, where you can find a great offer. Sign up for an account. They have a straightforward, risk-free money-back guarantee, so you can try it with confidence. Once your account is created, download the Windows or Mac app directly from their site. The installation is just like any other software. Run the downloaded file and follow the simple on-screen prompts. After installation, find the NordVPN icon on your desktop or in your Applications menu and open it. You'll be asked to log in with the email and password used to create your account. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. The interface is very user-friendly. For general use with Messenger, you have a couple of good connection options. The easiest method is to use the Quick Connect button. This smart feature automatically finds and connects you to the fastest available server, which is perfect for maintaining good call quality on Messenger. Simply click the large Quick Connect button on the main screen. In just a few seconds, you'll see a confirmation that you're connected and protected. Your laptop's entire internet connection is now encrypted and routed through that secure server. Alternatively, if you specifically need to appear from a certain country, for instance, to access Messenger in a restricted location, or connect with a server that's geographically closer to your contacts for better speed, you can choose a server manually. On the left side of the app, click on the country list or the map. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar to find a specific country, like United States or Canada. Click on your chosen country, and NordVPN will connect you to the optimal server there. Now, with your VPN connection active, it's time to open Facebook Messenger. You can use it in your web browser by going to messenger.com or open the standalone Messenger desktop app if you have it installed. And why we said this is true. If I look to the bug from Saul, it's great for me. Because your VPN is encrypting all traffic from your laptop, your Messenger connection is now secure. This means your messages and call data are protected from potential snoopers on your network. To Facebook servers, it will simply appear that you are connecting from the location of the VPN server you selected. A key feature to be aware of in NordVPN is threat protection. You can find this in the left-hand menu of the app. Turning this on adds an extra layer of security by blocking malicious websites and intrusive ads before they even load, which is great for general browsing safety beyond just Messenger. Remember, a premium VPN like NordVPN is a much better choice than a free VPN for this purpose. Free services often have slow speeds that can cause lag and poor quality on video calls, strict data limits, and may not provide reliable encryption. NordVPN offers fast, unlimited bandwidth, perfect for smooth messaging and calls, along with robust privacy protection. Using a trusted VPN is the simplest way to add security to your private conversations and maintain access to Messenger from anywhere. Check out the link in the description below to try NordVPN at a great price.